Welcome to my kitchen. We're gonna cook some chicken teriyaki stir fry tonight. So I'm gonna bring y'all along while we get it going. I already got the chicken cut and seasoned up. I put some salt and pepper and some paprika and some garlic powder on it. Got it cut and seasoned here. And I got my oil heating up right here. And we're gonna brown it just a little bit. Put it in the pan. I put a little bit of virgin olive oil in the pan. We don't want it completely cooked. We just want to brown it, because it's going to cook more later on. I just want to get it browned a little bit. And we'll take it out, and then I'll make the sauce. It's smelling good. I'm gonna cook some rice with this. We're gonna have some broccoli and stir fry here. What y'all having tonight? Tell me in the comment what y'all making. There's a lot of different ways of making this teriyaki. Tell me how y'all make y'all. Alright, let me turn this off so I can take this up. Don't that look good? Yeah. That looks real nice. Alright. Set that off to the side. Now I gotta make the sauce. Let me get everything set up for it. Now for the sauce. Tablespoon of brown sugar in here. And we're going to put 1/4 cup of water. Tablespoon of honey. I'll show you what happens if you don't spray this. Comes out easier if I sprayed it. That's why I spray it, because it sticks to it. That's why I usually put cooking spray on this so I don't have to do this. But I wanted to show y'all the difference. Okay. And we got our teriyaki. And we want 1/4 cup of that. And we got ginger, so we need 2 teaspoons of it. One. 2. My ginger. And we need some cornstarch. We need 2 tablespoons of that. One. 2. And we got a teaspoon of minced garlic. And let's do some whisking. Now we're gonna bring it over to the, set y'all over. Turn this on. Y'all set up right. Dump the sauce in this. Probably should have got my pan hot, but I was busy making the sauce. I didn't have my sauce ready in time. But that's okay, we're gonna make it work. Yeah, smaller whisk. There we go. Down, getting a little too thick. And And just a little bit more water. Onions and green peppers, other peppers in here. And stir fry. That's some green peppers I used. I'm gonna cut this chicken up just a little bit smaller. It's cooled. I like bite-sized pieces, so I'm cutting them small. Sure is smelling good. And just a little bit more water. And I'm just going to let this simmer on low and cook for a little while. It's as simple as that. I got a big mess to clean up. I'm gonna let this simmer and bring y'all back in a little bit. Oh, don't that look yummy? Oh, it looks so good. I got some rice going now, and I'll plate this up in a little bit, and then we'll try it out. But oh, don't it look good? I wish I had some smell vision so y'all could smell this. It is smelling yummy, yummy. We're gonna put some sesame seeds on here also when it's done. So we're gonna sprinkle a little bit of sesame seeds around. It just makes it pretty. Isn't that pretty? All right. That's all you got to do. Oh, don't that look good? My. We're going to have to try some of this. Oh, my goodness. Gotta get a piece of chicken here. Wait a minute, my mouth ain't that big. My husband would say it is, but anyway, we're gonna get a piece. Chicken's nice and tender. Got a good flavor. I think I need a little bit more salt though. But it is very good. But I do need a little bit more salt, I think. So that's the only thing I can tell is it needs salt. But other than that, it tastes so good. So I hope y'all will try it and let me know what you think about it. And anyhow, I may make a dessert later on. I don't know. It depends on how my back feels. But y'all have a blessed night. And leave in the comment and tell me what y'all had for supper tonight. And don't forget to hit the like and share and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And y'all that have subscribed, thank y'all so much. And I appreciate y'all so much. Love you. Mwah.